How you guys doing? It's applebottemgs here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. And today, guys, we're doing an unboxing of the Nexar dash cam. I ended up making a list of my top 10 dash cams, and then I ended up narrowing it down to 5, and then 3, and then 1. So the Nexar dash cam is obviously the winner because that's the unboxing today. So you can get this on Amazon. It's about $44, but they did have a sale. They usually have a sale where you can get it for $32. But I actually found this on Facebook Marketplace, and somebody got it for the holidays, and they already had a dash cam, so they were just selling this, and I picked this up for $25, which is absolutely a steal. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys everything you get. There's the front. Like I said, it's a Nexar dash cam, and it's controlled with an app. You can get an app so everything can sync through. So there you go. There's that, which say you will be recorded. Wow. Yeah. Or a little yeah, it comes with 2 stickers. So there you go. And I will be using this for my front camera, not my back camera. This kit also comes with an SD card. So you're ready to go. I had an SD card for my old dash cam, but this one already comes with it, so I guess I'll just use this since out of convenience, This is 32 gigabytes, I'm pretty sure you can put a bigger one in there, but this is the one that they supply you with, so there's that. After that, everything comes fairly neatly tucked in. Like I said, this is I guess you can say it's used because I bought it from Marketplace, so I didn't buy it from Amazon or the supplier or something like that. So there's that. So the first thing you get is this trim, trim piece. This company is really big on tucking in its wires. So this is the charger. So basically in your car you can tuck in the wires with the trim tool. That's why it comes with that. It comes with some stickies, which I usually never use. That's my neighbor, by the way. It comes with a little dash mount, and it's okay. So it's by 3M tape. It's not by magnet. 3M tape. I thought it was by magnet, but that's a little stand. It comes with this piece to tighten it. And then the actual dash cam. So there you go. So I went ahead and did some more research, and for the price, you're not gonna get anything better than this. Literally $44 on Amazon. On their website, sometimes if you drive for Lyft or Uber, they will give you one for free, and then you can use it for 14 days, and then if you don't like it, you can send it back. So it's kind of like a rebate system. I talked to some other people on YouTube about this dash cam, and they said it's really good. And something that I really liked is that when you get into an accident, it brings up a report of everything that you can imagine. What time you're driving, how fast you're driving, where you were going, where you were, everything you would need in court to sue somebody for hitting you or something, vice versa, whatever. It brings you that, and basically what it does, it connects to the app, like I showed you guys. On the box, you use the little code, or you probably just look up Nexar. It will sync all your videos to the app, and then you can go ahead and, upload it to YouTube. You can go ahead, upload it on Facebook, show people what you have to drive through if you drive for Lyft or Uber or something like that. But that's definitely something I like. So yeah guys, that's basically it. I will be installing this. I will be doing an install video later on this week, so definitely go check that out. Once again, this is the Nexar dash cam. Everything will be linked down in the description, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching and enjoy your day. So I'm back, YouTube. So all you want to do is go to your App Store or Google Play, type in Nexar app, and then it should be about the first one. So I already went over it, and I logged in and everything, and so once you set up your account, this is what you will get, and then you will have to connect to your camera. which iPhone and Android is definitely different, so you want to go ahead and look in the pamphlet that it came with, and it will tell you what to do. But as far as Android, all you have to do was turn on your Wi-Fi. So here's my Wi-Fi. You don't need to be connected or anything, it just has to be turned on. So if you're on iPhone, it will come up with the Nexar Wi-Fi, and that's how you connect to. But I'm using Android. So there's that. Just turn on your Wi-Fi, and then you go to settings, and then you hit external camera, and then it'll pair with your camera. You have to press the power button on your camera twice, and then it will pair with your camera, and then you will be all set up and stuff. And as you can see, there's like different stuff in here that you can, you know, deal with. But after that, you're pretty much good. It will just sync right through on your drives. I haven't made a clip or anything, but I will when I set it up.